哎，你在看什么？
哎，刚们来这么拍 video 啊
Let's welcome the one and only
MPV friendly 7-seater new facelift Toyota Sienta Hybrid 1.5X.
？Sister，你刚刚讲这个是 7 seater 啊，MPV 啊，坐7个人啊，
对
还是 Cat A 啊？
，Yes，
有没有哦？哎，等一下还没有，哎。
Hi, I'm Casper.
Hi, I'm Kylie.
Welcome to Royal Motor Grandeur.
Let's welcome the one and only
Cat A friendly 7-seater new facelift Toyota Sienta Hybrid 1.5X. Toyota Sienta provides you with a playful appearance and is also smartly equipped for 7 passengers.
where style, versatility, and comfort converge in one remarkable minivan. Embrace the modern design and spacious interior, perfect for accommodating your family's every adventure. With its advanced features and innovative technology, the Sienta ensures a seamless and enjoyable driving experience for both driver and passengers.
Getting in and out of the Sienta is a breeze, even for the young ones with its power sliding door. And for days when the kids insist on bringing more toys along, the Sienta's versatile seats configuration and storage option offer more ease and convenience.
Sienta is a 7-seater with 3-row seat in 232 configuration. There's enough for 7 passengers. The back row can be folded flat just as easily to allow for an easy conversion of the Sienta into a minivan, giving it an impressive amount of boot space.
The streamlined designs offer both improved power performance, reduced fuel consumption, and CO2 emission.
Last but not least, currently we have great promo as 10 years and 100% loan available, lowest interest rate from 1.68%, extended free 10 years warranty and servicing, free premium car accessories, free road tax,
Free insurance, free installments, higher trade-in guaranteed with 1 big guaranteed COE without top-up, with ready stock with immediate delivery.
Any further inquiries, welcome to Royal Motor Grandeur.
Singapore trusted leading car dealer since 2014.
We are always here for you. See you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.